Good morning students. This video is for class 3 maths and today we will start a new chapter called fractions. What do you mean by fraction? First you have to understand that what do you mean by fraction. Fraction means apart from a part from a whole. That means suppose if this is a chocolate, this is a cake and you have eaten this part. That means this part is already over, so this is fraction. That means any part from the whole thing, if you take out any part, that is known as fractions. And how do we write fraction? We write fractions by this way. So on top we write numerator by denominator. So remember this, we write on top numerator, the number that is written at the top is known as numerator and the number that is written in the bottom at the bottom is known as denominator. Now see, suppose if I write one question, write one number 2 by 3. That means this 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. That means total were 3. There are 3 chocolates. Out of those 3 chocolates, either 2 is eaten or 2 is left. So denominator we always write the total part and numerator whatever they ask. Like if they say that how many is eaten, if 2 is eaten, I have written 2. If how much is left, if 2 is left, so 2. So whatever they ask, that you will write in the numerator at the top and the total part you have to write in the denominator. So remember children, the number that is written at the top is known as numerator and the number that is written at the bottom is denominator. So we have few names. You have to know how we write the number names of the fraction. So like this is out of 2, 1 is left or 1 is written. So we write this as half. Either we write half or we can write 1/2. Now suppose 1 by 3, we write 1/3. Suppose 1 by 4, we write 1 and 4th. 1/4. That means whatever we actually write the cardinal number at the bottom. Half. This is 3rd, 4th, then 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So whatever is written in the denominator, like suppose we write 3 by 10. How will you write here? We will write 3, that is whatever is in the denominator, numerator we write, we give a hyphen, and then 10, we don't write 10 but we write 10 and then THS, tens. Why tens? Because this numerator is more than 1, that means plural, so you have to add S. In this case you see 1/3 no S, 1/4 no S. Suppose if this were 2, then 2/4 we would have written S. So I hope you have got little idea about what is fraction. That means out of 3 chocolate, 1 is eaten or 1 is left. Out of 4. So remember children, in the denominator we write the total part. In the numerator we write how much is left or how much it is consumed. It is taken, eaten. So please watch this video carefully so that when you start the exercise, you can easily understand whatever I explain or whatever I teach. So please watch this portion, this introduction class very carefully. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.